Wow, the Uber driver strike is actually working. It's causing distress to commuters, and it issues injunction against unions. Listen to this, my friends. You don't want to miss this one. So, welcome back to the channel, the Rideshare Hub. We talk about driving for Uber, Lyft, Uber Eats, DoorDash, whatever, all those apps. You guys know the drill. Now, before I get started, I want to tell you guys all about an awesome opportunity to get rideshare insurance that could be cheaper than your current insurance, okay? There's a new rideshare insurance company called Buckle. We have a link down below, and what they do is they actually replace your old auto insurance and they give you full coverage, including rideshare delivery insurance. And you get it, they're giving drivers right now $20 to get a free quote. I think what they're trying to do is take over. I mean, there's no other rideshare and delivery insurance company, and you kind of need insurance because we all know Uber and Lyft insurance is kind of phony baloney. And if you ever got in an accident, you probably caught yourself saying, "You better flip my flapjacks," because you know, like they don't help you out. They really don't. In a time of need, Uber and Lyft kick you to the curb. So Buckle Up is helping drivers get affordable quotes, affordable insurance. Check out the link below. And again, they're actually paying you to get a quote to become a free member. It's kind of nuts. I don't really get it, but that's what they're doing. Okay, the ongoing battle between, so listen to this, my friends. There's Ola, if you know Ola Cabs, and Uber. Day 4 strike causes distress to commuters. Delhi HC issues injunction against unions. I'll have a link below. This is on eek42.com, very big website. The ongoing battle between cab aggregators Ola, Uber, and their drivers in Delhi has now become a fiercer than initially expected. The Drivers Association has refused to back down from its stance. The strike, which was supposed to be a 2-day protest, was extended for 3 more days, affecting the daily commute of users. The drivers claim that since they did not hear back from cab aggregators, they were left with no choice but to extend the strike to air out their grievances. Both Uber and Ola commuters in Delhi are facing disruptions in cab availability since the past 3 days. At several locations, cabs are either showing no cab availability or 15 to 20 minute wait time. So obviously this is in the city of Delhi, which is in India. But you know, maybe this could happen in America. Do you guys think there should be a strike in America for Uber and Lyft drivers? Because it was successful in India, and I'm gonna look into this more and I'll make an update video if you're interested. But it looks like, you know, they're starting to unionize over there and actually starting to get better pay. So let me know your thoughts on this one. Take care, and check out the link below for that insurance. At least get a free quote, see if you can save some extra money. Hey, free money, or anytime you can save money, you should definitely check it out. So thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.